Hello everyone, this is Vamshi Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in Telangana staff nurses recruitment examinations, in the notification they have given the syllabus, and among all the subjects we need to answer the questions which are related to the environmental hygiene. So today I am going to do the video on environmental hygiene. So the first question is, on which day the World Environment Day is celebrated? Options are 5th April, 15th May, and 5th June and 25th April. The right answer is 5th June. So on the day of 5th June, the world is celebrating the World Environment Day. So the next question is, which of the following is the cause of soil pollution? Soil is nothing but earth. Okay. So which of the following among these four options, which is the a cause of soil pollution? Options are ozone, aerosol, acid rain, none of the above. So the right one is a acid rain. Acid rain is nothing but when rain droplets absorb the sulfur and nitrogen oxides present in the air pollution. So, in the world, the main problem is the pollution from the factories and vehicles. Okay, so due to the air pollution, the sulfur and the nitrogen which is present in the air during the rain, these these oxides will absorbed by the rain droplets, I mean rainwater. So it will be acid rain, so it will become acid rain. So acid rain weakens the trees. So due to the water which is present in the acids, when the plants and the trees has taken those water, it will affect to the trees, and acid rain makes the water more acidic, which results in more absorption of aluminum in the soil. So when the acid rain fall on the earth, what will happen? Uh, the water which is present on the earth, it will become more acidic, and it will absorb the aluminum in the soil. So which is carried into the streams and lakes. Okay, streams are nothing but water, the water which is stagnated on the earth, and lakes. So this is the a reason for the cause of soil pollution. So the next one is the, what is the water vapor? Options are, it is the gaseous phase of water, it is a rain droplet, water vapor is cloud droplet, none of the above. The right answer is, it is gaseous water. So for this question, there is an explanation that water vapor can be defined as gaseous phase of water which is produced due to the evaporation or boiling of water. So when we are boiling the water, we can observe the evaporation of water, that is called water evaporation. So it can be produced due to the ice sublimation. It is a transparent in nature, so we cannot absorb continuously the water vapor. Why? Because it is mixed with the environment, so that is called water vapor. So the next question is, which of the following is the cause of melanoria? Melanoria is nothing but skin cancer. So occurring and development of skin cancer, which is the a cause among these four options? Options are acid rain, allergens, ozone depletion, none of the above. The right answer is ozone depletion. So what is the meaning of ozone depletion? So skin cancer can be defined as the abnormal growth of skin cells. Okay, so cancer is nothing but abnormal multiplication of the abnormal cells. So what will happen? Ozone depletion means the thinning of the ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. So we all know that there will be the ozone layer over from the so many kilometers from the earth. It is very harmful to the nature and the atmosphere. So when the ozone layer is damaged, it will be affect to the plants, animals, humans which are present on the earth. So it might result in various health issues such as skin cancer and other diseases also. So this is the a cause of the skin cancer, that is nothing but melanoma due to the ozone depletion. Depletion is nothing but damage of the ozone layer. The next question is, at what time of the day relative humidity in the environment is at minimum? So in the day, in which situation we can we can observe the humidity is higher in the environment. Options are when the air temperature is lowest. So when the temperature is lower in the air, and before sunrise and midnight, and when the air temperature is higher. The right one is the when the air temperature is higher, what will happen? The humidity also will increase. Okay, so when the temperature is higher, the humidity also will be higher. The next question is, which of the following gas is present in the air in minimum amount? So in the air, what we inhale into our lungs, okay, which of the gas is present in the air maximum level? Options are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane. Methane. So for this question, the right answer is the nitrogen. Okay, a maximum amount of gas is present in the air is the nitrogen. So nitrogen is a present in the maximum amount of air. So approximately the nitrogen takes 78% in the air. So how much percentage of nitrogen will be present in air? That is 78%. Whereas oxygen occupies 20% in the air. So nitrogen is a higher amount of the gas in the air. Oxygen is the lesser amount of the air. Why? Because due to the pollution. Okay, so due to the pollution only, this gas is increasing more. Due to this reason only, ozone layer also become very weakened. So the next question is, the solar cell converts which energy into electrical energy? Okay, solar is nothing but energy from the sunlight. Okay, so solar cell converts which energy? Okay, so electrical energy. Solar energy is converted into electrical energy. So how it is? That is, options are chemical energy, solar energy, magnetic energy, none of the above. The right one is the solar energy. So it is called solar energy. When the solar is converted into the electrical energy is called solar energy. So solar power energy harnessed directly from the sun. So solar power is coming from the sun, where photovoltaic cells convert the sun rays directly into the electrical energy. In some cases, the heat produced by the sunshine is harnessed to produce electricity, that is known as solar thermal power. Okay, nowadays most of the people are using this solar thermal power plates. So the next one is which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Okay, renewable means Again, reusing. Okay, options are coal, uranium, wind, none of the above. The right answer is wind. Okay, wind is a renewable energy on the planet. So renewable energy sources are also same as the alternative energy sources. So we can use this wind or air with the other energy sources also. So renewable energy is the energy that is generated from natural process that are continuously replenished. It includes sunlight, geothermal heat, wind, tides, water, and various forms of biomass. So these are the all called renewable energy on the earth. So the next one is which of the following is said to be biodegradable waste? So among these four options, which one is a biodegradable waste? Options are plastic, glasses, eggshell, polythene. The right answer is eggshells. So eggshells are the degradable, biodegradable wastage. So the next question is sugar is a form of. So what is the form of sugar? Is it carbohydrate? Is it fat? Is it protein? Or is it water? The right one is it is a carbohydrate. So the sugar is a main carbohydrate, which is a main uh, main source of the energy and immediate energy. So the next one is the uses of CFC. Okay, CFCR. So what is the use of CFCR? Options are insulators, aerosol propellants, and refrigerants, and all of the above. So before that, what is CFC we will see. So CFC is nothing but chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons are called CFC, are used to manufacture the blowing agents. Blowing agents are nothing but balloons. Okay, like a balloon. For foams are nothing but perfumes. Okay, and packing materials as refrigerants, as solvents. They also caused manufacture of aerosol sprays. Those are scent. Okay, so in the picture you can see the layers. So in the layers also we can observe the CFC. Okay, carbofluorocarbons, chlorofluorocarbons we can observe in the this kind of packages also. Why? Because it will it will blow the package of the okay contents. They are using this kind of packets also. CFC content also we can observe. So the next one is the pollutants that decomposable and manageable in the nature are termed as. So the pollutants, okay, pollutions are nothing but pollutants. The ingredients which are caused for the pollutions, those are called pollutants. That decomposable means there is no risk of staying on the earth. Okay, they can be decomposed. They will mix with the soil and manageable in the earth. Okay, in the nature. Options are renewable pollutants, non biodegradable pollutants, biodegradable pollutants, none of the above. The right one is a biodegradable pollutants. So these are called decomposable and manageable in the nature. So through this we don't have a much risk for lifetime. So these are biodegradable. Biodegradable means they can mix they can mix with the soil for a normal period. Within a period, these pollutants can be mixed with the soil. but plastic, okay, and other chemicals which are not biodegradable, which are not mixed with the soil. So, biodegradable substances can be defined as a material that can be easily decomposed by the microorganism. Decomposers, okay, decomposers are nothing but people, and microorganisms, okay, some of the microorganisms also responsible for the decomposing the uh, material, that is like any dead animal bodies, okay. And when the dead bodies are fall on the earth, what will happen? The microorganisms and decomposers are nothing but um, insects, okay, maggots, which are responsible for the decomposing the dead bodies, and they can be easily decomposed and manageable. So after a some time we cannot see any material over there, so they do not add any type of pollution, so which are not cause for any pollution in the environment. So the next question is, the mosquito repellent that is used in the homes in the form of coil, liquid. So in the daily daily we will use for the mosquito repellent which are kill the mosquitoes. So what type of chemical will be present in those mosquito repellents? Options are sedatives, pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers. So the right answer is the insecticides. So insecticides are present in the liquids and coils. Okay, jet coil and all out liquid, good night liquid. So in this kind of mosquito repellents, we can see the insecticides. So substances that are used to kill the insects are insecticides. Okay, what is the name of insect? What is the meaning of insecticides which kills the insects? Insects are nothing but mosquito and flies. Okay, cockroaches like that. So insects include larvicides, ovicides that are used against eggs and larvae of the insects. So these insects or insecticides can responsible for the killing of the eggs and larvae of the insects. So the next question is, paper is made up of. So daily we are using for writing of the for the writing and reading, that is on the paper only. So how the paper is made? Options are polythene and cotton, starch and cellulose, grass and bamboo, none of the above. The right answer is grass and bamboo. So, paper is made from the plants like a grass and bamboo and wood. So, next one is a CPCP. CPCB stands for. So, what is the full form of CPCB? Options are Control Pollution Control Board, Central Pollution Central Board, Control Pollution Central Board, Central Pollution Control Board. The right answer is Central Pollution Control Board. So, what is the function of this this organization? That is for controlling of the pollution in the environment in the cities. Okay, in the cities wherever the pollution is higher, this organization will be responsible for taking a precautions for reducing of the pollution in the environment, that is CPCB. So the next one is, which of the following are negative health effects of noise pollution? So what are the negative effects of due to the occurring of noise pollution? Options are hypertension, hearing loss, stress and headache, all of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. So due to the over noise, what will happen? The people can get the hypertension, means that is anxiety, and a hearing loss is a common, and stress and headache also we can observe when we hear the continuous higher noise. So noise pollution is defined as an excessive amount of noise that affect the environment. Okay, environment is nothing but people, animals, and in disruptive manner. Disruptive manner is those are not a song or anything. It is continuously making a disturbed manner. Although noise pollution is not visible, okay, we cannot see the noise pollution. We can see the air pollution, okay, water pollution we can see, but noise pollution we cannot see. We can only hear. Does not smell, and also we cannot smell the noise pollution, and it still disturb the natural balance also. So the next question is, which one of the following organization dedicated to protecting human health from environment harms? Harms are nothing but hazards, okay, problems. Options are environment health, human health, environmental and scientific science, ecological protection organization, ecological science and solutions. So the right one is a environment, human health. Okay, so this kind of organization are responsible for the protecting of human health from the environmental problems. The next question is, which one of the following cause harm to human health? Okay, among these four options, which one is the a cause of harming the human health? Options are organic farming, using pesticides, using solar vehicles, and protecting forest. The right answer is using pesticides. Okay, pesticides are nothing but in the farms. Okay, the agriculture people are using the pesticides for the plants in the farm areas. Those are called pesticides. So these are the main cause for the harming of human health. The next question is, how many types of health hazards are there? So how many types of health hazards are there? Options 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 3 main health hazards. Okay, we will see which are those. The 3 types of health hazards are physical hazards, chemical hazards, and biological hazards. So, firstly, physical hazards are like global warming, UV radiation, radioactive agents. Okay, these are the physical hazards, and chemical hazards are combustion of the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are nothing but the fuel, the liquid which is present under the ground, okay, inside the earth. So when they come out, it can cause for the human health problems. Those are called chemical hazards, and pesticides and heavy metals. Okay, heavy metals also cause of human health. Those are coming under the chemical hazards. So the biological hazards are nothing but commonly bacteria, viruses, fungi, all the pathogens are coming under the biological hazards. So there are 3 types of hazards. So the next one is which one of the following is a result of high exposure of the radiation? So when the human being is exposed to the high radiation, what will happen? Options are loss of white blood cells, those are WBC. Okay, that it means reduction of WBC, hair loss, tooth decay, and leg fracture. The main effect will be loss of WBC cells. So when the human being is continuously exposed to the outside radiation, it can cause for the cancer as well as reduction of the WBC count. So the next question is, how do pollutants reach humans? Okay, how the pollution is reached to the humans? Options are by external factors, by internal factors, by pollutants never reached the human, or there is nothing called pollutants. The right option is by external factors. So we will see which are external factors. Pollutants reach humans through the food we eat. Okay, the pollution can be mixed with the food and the water what we drink and air. So the pollution mainly we can see in the food, water, and air. With these three ways, the pollutants can be reached to the human being as well as animals also. The next question is the current rate of disease are increasing at alarming speeds and most are closely linked with known as, okay, which are the main diseases are closely related to the pollution. The options are carcinogens, okay, carcinogens, traffic, organic farming, balanced diet. The right option is carcinogens. So carcinogens are nothing but which cause for the cancer, okay, which cause for the occurring or developing of the different types of cancers. Those are called those are called carcinogens. So these are the main effect, okay, main reason of due to the pollution. So the next question is which one of the following can cause breast cancer in the human? Okay, so which one is a main cause of occurring of breast cancer in the woman? Options are due to the breastfeeding or being the physically fit or using antiperson antiperspirants and eating healthy food. The right option is option C, using antiperspirants. Perspirant are nothing but uh, the women which are using for the preventing of bad sweat smell, okay, bad odor from the axilla like sprays, okay. So which are the sprays which are women are using for prevention of bad odor from the axilla. So those are the called antiperspirants. So those are a main, those are a cause of occurring of breast cancer in the women. So this is the end of my class, guys. I hope you all understand about the environmental hygiene.